Hey, welcome back. How are you all doing? Hope you're well. Today I'm going to make a lemon drizzle cake in the Omnia Oven. I've been planning on doing this for a while now, but haven't got around to doing it. So I thought because we haven't got anything to do this morning, I'd make a cake. So I'm just making a simple lemon drizzle cake. So I've got it from online. So it's literally just like a normal sponge cake, although it's got a lemon in it. The sponge has got the lemon zest, and then on the topping, which is the icing bit, is just the lemon juice and some sugar. But it's really just a simple cake. All you use is normal ingredients. I've got self-raising flour, 3 eggs. You want some baking powder? I've gone for this Willow baking butter. I like it a bit better because it's actually soft, so it gets out of the fridge and it's just perfect to use. Because I find normal butter is just a bit of a nightmare, and the fact that it's just too hard when you get it out, and you have to get it out hours before you want to use it. So this is just perfect. Get it out of the fridge and ready to go. There's one slight issue. We know that we're running low on gas, so this could be a half-baked cake, but we'll have to see. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we've got enough gas to actually get us through. Also, one more thing I forgot. The most important bit is sugar. Otherwise, it'd be a bit bland and a bit boring. So you also need sugar for this recipe too. So you are supposed to use caster sugar. I've only got normal sugar. I'm pretty sure it'll be fine. I'll just have to make sure that it's actually dissolved into the lemon juice properly, but if not, I'll have to actually just change the recipe next time I use it. So I'll quickly run through how much of each ingredient we need. But I will leave it in the description below so you can look at it there. But you need 3 eggs, 175 grams of flour, 175 grams of sugar, 175 grams of butter. So it's near enough the same weight for actually each ingredient. You need 3/4 of a spoon of baking powder. And the most important part for a lemon drizzle cake is a lemon. So just for the sponge, you just need the zest of the lemon.
I made an omen. I said, tell me your story. He took out a notepad and wrote something for me. Then he kept.
So that's the cake all mixed now. It was quite easy to make. It's literally just shove it all in and whisk it all up. There's nothing hard to it. All I've got to do now is just got to put it into the Omnia Oven and then put it on the gas on full for about 40 minutes. It said about 40 minutes last time. And if you watch the video that I'd made on the crumble, it said about 45 minutes, and it was like dead on 45 minutes. So I'm going to go with that the Omnia Oven cooks about the same time as a normal oven. Let's get baking. So here's the cake. It's now done and cooked. There is a couple of issues with it though. We're not sure if it's actually burnt. I think what we did was we put it on too high at the beginning, so I think we just burnt the sugar. So I'm hoping it's not too burnt. We did turn it down after we noticed, and it was all fine, and it seems to have cooked really well. It's actually cooked really golden as well, so it actually looks like it's come out of an oven, which I'm really impressed with, because all the other 2 cakes we've done, or cooking we've done, we've always found that it's good enough, but it's not as good as being in the oven, if you know what I mean. But this has turned out really well. So all I've got to do now is put the lemon drizzle over the cake. You're supposed to do it when it's in the tin and it's still warm, so that the drizzle actually properly melts into the cake, and I'm guessing it infuses with flavour. So that's what I'm going to do now.
Don't spill any of it.
Oh, I'll try not to. I'll try and make sure I did it even as well. Oops, there's a bit left in that.
That was gloopy.
I know. Hopefully
Sugar
it won't melt
overload.
in. It's a cake, it's not supposed to be healthy. There we go. That should do. So I'm just going to let that settle in now and soak in, and then we can take it out when it's a bit colder and actually try it, and hopefully it tastes really nice because it smells good. So the cake's burnt a little bit more than we thought we had. It's kind of cremated it on this side, so I don't think we're going to be able to dish it out, and I don't know if it's actually going to infuse the flavour of the whole cake, but I still think it's a good recipe. I think it was just our error, and the fact that we put it on the highest temperature that it could go, and it just burnt it, and as soon as we smelled burning, we had a look and then turn it down, but obviously it was too late. So we might have a go cutting it off, see what it actually turns out to be like. But yeah, I think it's still a good cake, but we'll have to actually taste it and see what it's like. So I'm definitely going to cook this cake again, but it's a learning curve, and the Omnia oven is obviously a bit different to an oven, so that's obviously something we've learned and we won't make that mistake again. So if you're cooking a cake in the Omnia oven, I would definitely recommend starting at a lower heat, keeping an eye on it and see how it goes, because I think that was the issue with this cake. So we've managed to save the cake. All we've done is just cut off the burnt bits and it's actually fine. We tried a bit and it tastes really good. So it is actually a really good recipe. It's just the fact that we put it on too high and just burnt the cake. But luckily we've managed to salvage it, so we're going to take some around the people on the farm and get them to try it too. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.